It is less traveled, and guess what today is? It is a maintenance day, and I'm getting steps. See right there? Right there? I'm getting steps on the Jeep. All right, I'm gonna turn you around. We're gonna unbox them.
Well, they're well packaged. They come powder coated black. Seems to be in pretty nice shape. Pretty good quality. And we'll see how they attach. All right, first I'm going to tap them to see if I can loosen it up some. Now we're going to try to break them free. I have a T50 Torx bit on a 3/8 drive ratchet. We're going to give it a go. I just went down to a smaller ratchet, 3/8 drive ratchet. Okay, these steps include what looks to me like they're stainless steel hardware, so we're going to use this and see what it's like. That seems to fit right. I gotta go get, that's a different. I gotta find probably a 1/4 inch Allen wrench. Hardware that comes with the step requires a 3/16 Allen wrench. That's what keeps your door alignment on. You can see where the hinge was. If you get down below underneath, you can see how it's off like a 1/4 inch down here. So I'm going to actually physically lift the door and tighten them up right where they are. But you readjust your door. You loosen the hinge a little bit, and then you bring your door up. See why that striker's not hitting? Which means it needs to come up. You want to check all your door gaps, make sure they're even, going up around. Everything should open and close normally after you get everything lined up. Your striker you have to watch. So it lines your striker up and your door closes. Then you could go ahead and tighten everything back up.
You know you're testing this, right?
Huh?
You're gonna take that step out and test it.
Well, I gotta put the lock key, so see, if you don't put this in, see what this would do? This would just bang and bounce and end up messing your paint up. So it comes with a
bunch of scratches already on it.
I'm guessing this is a pull pin. No, it's just got a thread. So it's got a rubber gasket on it. This is threaded into the side of the step.
Am I gonna lose that on the road? Am I gonna be able to undo it myself? I need a rubber pair of gloves, like grippy gloves.
I don't know if I like that idea. Guys, pretty easy setup. I rate this 1 wrench. I mean, there's nothing to it. So, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, you choose your own road, but we'll take the road less traveled.